Hi guys, so today is Friday and I'm off today, and it's also our anniversary. So yeah, it's Friday the 13th. It's kind of crazy because we got married Friday the 13th and today is another Friday the 13th and it's our anniversary. So anyways, I'm gonna plan on vlogging today, which is, you know, I'm vlogging today, and I'm also be doing filming, I would say 3 videos, because I've been slacking lately. Like, I've really been slacking lately and I have to like just get my stuff together and just film, and I've been just busy, you know. But anyways, today I want to get some Starbucks so I can like get like, you know, the iced coffee that I needed this morning, because I don't have coffee in the house. Like, I ran out of coffee, so I just had to like get some iced coffee from Starbucks. So anyways, my husband helped me change like the bed covers and sheets. So right now I'm trying to fold some of these like clothes here, and after that is I have to clean. Like, I have to clean. We might go somewhere later tonight, but other than that, that's really it. We don't really plan on going like out, but we're just probably gonna, I'm probably gonna ending up cooking food, or we're just gonna eat somewhere quick and go home. Nothing fancy, so yeah. And also gonna do an unboxing because he got me some gifts. I'm gonna like put it here, but he got me like one of on my wish list, which is Dior choker, and I will be doing an unboxing for that one. So can't wait for you guys to see that. I think that will be up first and then this vlog. So I have to clean my closet, and I have some random, like a lot of clothes down there. So yeah, I have to like reorganize it, and I bought this like new velvet hangers. So that's what I'm gonna do, and also organize like all my bags and purses right there. Also, speaking of, you guys, I finally got myself the oh my god, this is gonna fall. Okay, so I finally got the box. Okay, there's nothing in here. There is my bag here, but I finally got the box. Oh my goodness. So I asked them to give me a box just because I lost my dust bag. It's probably somewhere here, but I couldn't find it anymore. So I asked for the box because I don't know if you remember, I just got the dust bag. If you saw the video, I just got a dust bag, but then like I said, I lost the dust bag. So he also gave me an extra dust bag and a full box, so I can store my bag here nice and safely. So that's kind of like amazing that I got you know, I finally got like the box. So that's kind of cool, I'm just saying. So anyways, I have to, like I said, I have to reorganize those. So that's going to be like my agenda for today, is organizing my closet, cleaning, and also filming. So it's a lot going on today. Hi loves, so this is gonna be like a continuous vlog from yesterday. I didn't finish vlogging because I was busy filming 3 videos, and now I have to film 2 more videos, so I'm set for like a whole, I would say, week. So anyways, like I said, yesterday was our anniversary, and we just had to, well, after I filmed, I had to get ready because we went to like 2 different restaurants, and you know, we just had fun with like we ate, and it was, you know, it was all good. Anyways, I went to Target and also Bath and Body Works today because they were having a sale. Let me show you guys what I got. So I got just a medium bag from Bath and Body Works, and I've been like literally waiting for this to come, which is like all body lotion is $3 something. Yeah, it's $3.25, and they're still having sale for the candles, which is the 3 wicked candles, which is like 10% off. So I just got one because I've been waiting for this one to go on sale. Anyways, first things first is I finally got the Paris Cafe, which is this one right here. I love the color of this. It's like chocolatey brown color, you guys. This smells amazing. Oh my god, it smells amazing. If you guys could just smell this on the screen. And I just got 3 lotion, which is, I don't want to get a lot. If I want to stock up on lotion, I just, you know, like I just don't want to get a lot. Anyways, I have here finally the champagne toast. I love champagne toast, you guys. Right here, it smells amazing. Oh yeah, it smells amazing. So I got the champagne toast for $3.25. Into the night, I have a body wash and also a the spray, the perfume spray. It smells amazing. I tend to use the body wash at night when I'm showering at night, and also the spray at night as well. And I also want to try this in the stars. There's only 3 left with this one. This line is real. Oh my god, yeah, this smells amazing. So I just got 3 and each are like $3.25. So that's the only thing I got from Bath and Body Works. Okay, so next thing is I got this one from Target. Anyways, this is the number 7 translucent finishing powder. So I've seen a lot of people compare this to the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder. This is the one right here. It's really good, and I use this almost like when I put makeup on. It's amazing. So like I said, I saw a lot of people, they said this is better than the Charlotte Tilbury, or this is like a dupe for Tilbury. And let me know if you guys want to like a comparison on both of these, because I mean, I don't really do so much makeup videos now, and you guys told me like 2 makeup videos, but I'm gonna try my best. Maybe later today or tomorrow I'm gonna like compare each. So I'm gonna do like a half and half. This one trying the Charlotte Tilbury, and this one using the number 7. So let me know. And I got the shade light. They only have 3 shades, which is this light, and then the second one is light to medium, which is this out of stock. And then I think the deep, just like deep or something, I'm not pretty sure, but I have to double check the website because I got it at Target. And okay, last but not the least is this band-aid. I just get some band-aid. That's all I got from Target. So I want to show you guys what came also in the mail a couple days ago. The brand Parade sent me their newest line, which is the chromotherapy, and they sent me 2 underwear, which is freaking amazing. Thank you so much for Parade for sending this to me. And it also come in this little bag, which is 100% compostable, as it says. We can't wait to see how you wear it. But yeah, I love this. I freaking love it. So they sent me 2, which is this burgundy colored, I believe this is the thong. So yeah, they sent me both of these are medium, and they sent me the thong. I freaking love it. If you guys probably know me, I love thongs. I just love thongs. So, and I'm also gonna post a picture. I have to post a picture and share it to you on Instagram. If you haven't followed me on Instagram, make sure to follow me. And it also sent me a sticker. I believe it's their 1 year already, and that's why they sent me the sticker. It's like they're celebrating like a year. Thank you so much for sending me this. Also, if you guys are interested, you can use my code. I'm gonna put it here in the screen for 20% off. So yeah, I will be filming 2 videos today, but before that I have to wax my underarm just because it is that time of the month. They're getting longer, so I have to wax and, you know, shower after that. So this is the kit that I purchased from Amazon, I believe last year, and I only have 1 left of these wax beans, and I think I'm gonna wait. I think I'm just gonna finish this first before putting this one, because this is like the last one that I got. I have to order more of these wax beans, so I'm just gonna turn this on to high. You know, yeah, I've got to turn that to high right there, and then I'll wait like a couple minutes before waxing. And I have here a baby powder, which I'm gonna put, you know, on my underarm. And then I have here the stick, the spatula. I got this at Ulta. Yeah, I got this at Ulta. So yeah, that's that. I'm just gonna put this back there. But yeah, I have to order more of these at Amazon because this is like literally the only one left. So it's already like 8 o'clock and I'm taking my makeup off. I'm using the or I don't know how you pronounce this, but yeah, I'm using this to remove my makeup. I do have the micellar water from Garnier, but for my backup, but right now I'm just gonna use this for now because I'm also trying it out actually. So I'm just gonna take my makeup off and just like call it a night, just because it's already like late and my husband wants to watch a movie. So it's like sometimes like on a Saturday or like Sunday, we like, that's like our bonding time. We watch a movie, we'll like pick a movie and then we'll watch it. So that's what I'm doing. I'm trying to do my skincare, but don't worry because I will have updated skincare routine soon. Yeah. So right now I'm just, but anyways, yeah, I think this vlog is a little bit long too since I vlogged yesterday and today, even if there's really nothing going on this whole video. But anyways, let me just move my makeup, you guys. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna finish my skincare routine and then I'm gonna end the vlog here just because we're just gonna watch a movie anyways. So like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.